Have you ever stopped to truly consider what you are breathing in every single day when you step outside? The truth is, the air around us is often much dirtier and more harmful than it appears on the surface. Massive industries and power plants constantly release invisible, harmful pollutants high up into the atmosphere. And let's not forget the sheer volume of daily traffic, choking our urban centers with vehicle exhaust fumes. Even something as simple as burning biomass or certain agricultural practices significantly adds to the overall contamination load. This invisible threat directly impacts our most vital system, leading to serious and widespread respiratory health issues. Beyond human health, this pervasive air pollution damages delicate ecosystems and contributes to wider climate instability. Imagine a constant, slow contamination permeating everything you see, touch, and inhale moment after moment. But here is the crucial turning point. This is not a hopeless situation. We absolutely have the power to change this narrative. Transitioning to cleaner energy sources like solar and wind power represents a massive step in the right direction for everyone. Embracing electric vehicles and heavily improving public transit systems can drastically cut down on ground-level pollution. Stronger government regulations and proactive corporate responsibility play a huge role in keeping major industries accountable. Even your personal choices, like supporting truly sustainable local businesses, send a powerful ripple effect through the economy. Think about the absolutely clear skies and the easier breathing we can gift to the next generation if we decide to act now. Start by becoming more aware of your local air quality index and understanding what that data means for your daily activities. Let's work together in our communities to make the air we share a resource we can all finally be proud of breathing in daily.